Alright, what's up guys? So what we're going to do today is we're going to be swapping out the lower radiator hose on a 92 to 96 Honda Prelude. Really doesn't matter what model of engine that you have on it. I've already done the top one on my vehicle, so we're not going to run through that process. But there's a little bit more that goes into swapping out the lower radiator hose. So I'm going to kind of do like a step-by-step. Watch the video. If you have any questions, just feel free and comment below. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and remove the bolts that are holding on our radiator brackets. Mine are hex screws because I've updated them to the JDM password bolts, and most likely you'll have 10 millimeters. So you want to remove all the bolts to this bracket, remove all the bolts to this bracket, and then we're going to remove all the bolts to this bracket, and that'll just allow us more space. And that's going to allow us to lift the radiator and hose up, or the fan up. That way we can access the very bottom line, the hose right here. We're going to pinch that guy off and then drain all the fluid. Follow it right up here. We're just going to pinch that guy off and we're going to drain all that fluid as well. And then we're going to replace the hose. Okay, so I've got everything hooked back up. As you can see, my new radiator hose is linked up in the back end. This is so I can hook up, a temperature gauge if I want to or something. Right now it's just plugged up. And it's definitely hooked up down below. And then I've reset all my bolts in place. And now the last thing to do is just fill it up with some coolant. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out real quick. Just give it a nice little wipe down and we're gonna fill it up.